Now, some good news in the sporting arena. Health Chief Administrative Secretary Dr. Rashid Aman has confirmed that the friendly match between the national soccer team Harambee Stars and Zambia that is scheduled for Friday, October 9th, 2020 at the Moi International Sports Centre Kasarani, Nairobi, will now go on as planned.
Health Chief Administrative Secretary Dr. Rashid Aman, while giving the daily update on the COVID-19 situation in the country, confirmed that the game had been given the green light to happen with strict adherence to COVID-19 regulations.
This matter, of course, came to the ministry, and I can tell you that their plans are on track. They have been given the concurrence by both their parent ministry, the Ministry of Sports and Culture, as well as the Ministry of Health, of course, provided that they stick to the protocols that have been provided for opening up of sports of that nature. So I think fans should look forward to this friendly match, and I understand there are two of them. The first one is with Zambia. So I think fans can look forward to that encounter.
Dr. Aman's announcement clears one of the many hurdles brought about by the global outbreak of the coronavirus that faced head coach Francis Kimanzi as he assembles a star squad for AFCON 2021 qualifiers. A total of 11 local-based players out of the 17 named in the 34-man provisional squad reported to camp at Safari Park yesterday in readiness for Friday's clash. Kenya faces Comoros in November in back-to-back Group G matches. Zambia, on the other hand, is using the clash to get their qualifying campaign back on track after two opening defeats have left them bottom of Group H.
And football stakeholders in Mwingi, Kitui County, are calling for inclusivity in the development of the sport, while leading youths in training and a mini tournament dubbed the Patrick Gitonga Tournament. The shareholders believe that with sporting activities in the country set to resume soon, the government should be keen in ensuring development of the game is reciprocated even in rural areas.
Ningeuliza pia county government na national government kwa wizara ya michezo ili wateremke huku mashinani, wakuje huku kuna talents mingi, kuja wachukue na tutapata timu nzuri sana ya Harambee Stars. Na plan tena December ama January kukuwa tena na mechi ambayo itakuwa ya pia tutahusisha wanadada. Na pia ningeomba FKF nikimwomba president ili wateremke pia na wao kwa mashinani.
Ningetaka kuuliza serikali ni ikumbuke kwamba hata mashinani kuna players wazuri, kuna timu nzuri, watukumbuke pia na upande wa uniform usipute kwa wingi, bado tuko na timu mpaka tuko na timu B, tuko na timu C, wakumbuke. So bado na iwe hata wanakumbuka kuwaweka katika ligi.
Kuna vijana wako na talent ya kupiga, wangekuja huku at least kusema kama education ipate kitu, pia unaweza promotiwa uende ukachezea kama Madhari United kama hiyo.
And now on to some international sports news. Midfielder Aaron Ramsey has been ruled out of Wales' friendly match against England on Thursday. Ramsey's club Juventus put their squad in isolation on Sunday after two non-playing staff members tested positive for COVID-19. Meanwhile, Liverpool manager Jurgen Klopp has confirmed that first-choice goalkeeper Alisson will be out of action for 4 to 6 weeks due to a shoulder injury.
Aaron Ramsey will miss Wales' Wembley friendly against England after his club Juventus pulled their players into a biosecure bubble. The 29-year-old will now miss the match against England but could feature against the Republic of Ireland and Bulgaria in the Nations League later this month. Wales also confirmed striker Hal Robson-Kanu has withdrawn from the squad through injury ahead of Thursday's trip to Wembley. After facing England, Wales take on the Republic of Ireland in Dublin on Sunday before travelling to face Bulgaria on October 14th. Meanwhile, Liverpool managed.
Grealish outside the boot. It's a great ball. Watkins now with Trezeguet in the middle. Will he go it alone? Ollie Watkins sets himself looking for number 2 and driving into the top corner.